Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Harun Taga and today I will go through how to use Maproom and 3ds Max. We will generate a 3D model of Melbourne City using Maproom plugin. Maproom can be very helpful for architects that need a 3D site context or for urban designers that want a 3D three-dimension city to play with. So once you have a Maproom installed, or I will assume you have installed it, you will see this Maproom icon over here. If you don't have it, you can right click somewhere and then customize. Then under the toolbar and category list, we need to find class tools. So here it is. What you can do is then just click on new and rename it and then simply drag and drop the Maproom to it. That will give you the Maproom icon. So once you open Maproom, just by clicking on the icon, what we will need to do is under new map presets, we will select OpenStreetMap and satellite and then Maproom OpenStreetMap. This will take us to the search bar where we can search for Melbourne City, or you can choose any city you want. Just select it and click OK and update space. Next we go to terrain tab, and here I will change the kilometers to 1 kilometer, so this will make it a little bit faster to download the stuff. And it's better to have the zoom over 14, so let's keep it maybe around 16 or 17. And after that, click on update map images. So this will download. It will take a couple of minutes, but once we are done, we can then move to OSM tab. Let's give it some time. Yep, it's done. So just click on OSM. Here we will repeat the same process, change the kilometers, and then over here we can choose what layer we want, but I will select full OSM data and just simply click download. Again, it will take a little bit time, so just wait for it. So once it's completed, yes, here it is. Yeah, we can move to style sheet and click on SYS OSM style sheet and just click on apply. And this shouldn't take very long. Let's just wait for it. It's taking longer than I thought. So that's why it's better to change the radius. For example, if we were to have 10 kilometers, it would take much longer than it's taking now. Yeah, but once it's done, we can simply just close this and we should have something in the viewport. So yeah, it's done. Let's just close it. And this is the model that we've got. We can select and delete if you don't want this, for example, or we can play with the layers setting. So we'll need to go to layer setting and then just turn them off or on, one by one. But I would suggest better to just click and delete, anything that we don't want. And just to make it a little bit clear, tidy it up a little bit. And yeah, this is the model that we've got. So I hope it was helpful, and thank you very much for watching.